Hi, I'm going to share with you how I do this cartoon. First, we're preparing for the blue sketch. We place the sketch underneath the lightened layer. Then we add the layer for the black. By this time, we are dividing the frame. Then we clean up the extra lines. Now we are adjusting the layer underneath for proper arrangement. We make sure the layout is well arranged. Then we are trying to place the balloons, single lines, placing in right angle. By this time, we are trying to clean up all the extra lines. I use a scanned sketch of my drawings and I just re-edit this drawing to fit the proper layout. After we finish the layouting, we are going to place it on top of the layer so it will appear like one. And now we have a clean drawing. We're going to place the title of this cartoon. Placing the title of this cartoon is as easy as lettering. Then we're going to color it step by step. We do the characters first, color them, and we're using the bucket tool for the objects. After we are finished in the bucket tool, we're doing this in a pencil mode. Then we're going to finish it with the brush strokes, a bigger scale. Coloring is that easy. You should you should be aware of the color separation so the drawing will not be look like so it's not crowded looking. And that's it. Thank you for watching and bye for now.